This is a satin nickel interior doorknob. It has all the parts, the hardware to go with it. It is by Defiant. It's a great looking piece, heavy duty. Has it these instructions. It looks very nice. I think it will blend with any decor. This is a satin nickel by Defiant. It's a great looking piece. It's Madrid satin nickel closet passageway door. See, it doesn't have any kind of lock on it. Be a closet door, an outside door that you don't need locked or whatever. It's a really nice piece and very heavy. It's by Defiant.